welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my 2017 skincare routine. I'll be showing you the products I use in the order that I use them and why. So if you want to see that, continue watching. So what I like to use to wash my face, and it has been working recently, is the Clean and Clear Deep Action Cream Cleanser. It's like a white creamy cleanser and it works really nicely. It doesn't break me out and I think it does a pretty good job. I've been using it for quite a few months now and I really like it. So I'm just going to use my washcloth here and just run it under some warm water, not too hot and not too cold. And so I'm just going to dab my face with it. I would usually do this in the shower, but I'll just show you guys outside the shower because that would be kind of awkward. Now I'm just going to take my cleanser here and just take about that much, just a little bit, kind of a ball size, whatever you want to call it. So then I just do in circular motions on each cheek, and then I go ahead and do my nose, and then my chin, my forehead, you know, just hit all the spots on your face. And also I like to cleanse my neck sometimes as well. So yeah, just circular motions, working it in, getting rid of all the dirt and oil. So just do that for like a minute. And then I'm just going to take my washcloth and just wipe it all the way, rinse my face, and that's pretty much how I cleanse my face every day. As you can see, I just got out of the shower and now I'm going to do my skincare. So after I've washed my skin, I tone and then I moisturize. So my favorite toner for the last, I guess, 3 years has been the Tea Tree Water by Lush. It's in a spray bottle. It smells really nice. It goes on super easy. You don't need a cotton pad or anything. Just spray it on your face. And I think it works pretty good. I don't know if it helps my skin totally, as in breakouts and stuff. I really like it. It's nice, refreshing. I like to put it on before I go to sleep, but also I like to use it toning in the morning as well. So it's a toner water. It has tea tree, grapefruit, juniper berry. It's supposed to keep disasters at bay. When I've been using it for the last 3 years or so, I still get blemishes and all that, breakouts and all that type of stuff. So I don't know if it exactly does what it says, but it's really nice on the skin. So I just spray my whole face and then I just let it sink in. Feels so nice and refreshing when you're trying to wake up for first thing in the morning. I've been on a hunt for a good moisturizer recently. I've gone through some bad ones and I think right now I have a good one. So this is the Origins Zero Oil, Oil-Free Moisture Lotion with saw, palmetto, and mint. This is a good moisturizer, supposedly, for oily skin. And I just picked this up maybe about 3 weeks ago at Sephora. So I don't know if it's been working incredibly well yet, but I know that it has been reducing my oil by quite a bit. But before that, I was using the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. And this was breaking me out, plus another thing I'll show you. And because it has alcohol denate in it, and it's one of the top 3 ingredients, so that's pretty bad for your pH levels in your skin. And I found that out through Jen Loves Review's skincare video that I'll link down below. It has so much information if you don't know anything about skincare. So it's supposed to be for normal and combo skin types. I would say I'm combo, leaning more on the oily side. So I thought I would pick this up at Superstore, and it was kind of expensive, but not really. Definitely not as expensive as Origins, obviously. I felt like it didn't moisturize my face very well either, so I do not recommend this Garnier moisturizer. One that I was using for a little bit until I ran out was the Ole Henderson Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer, and it was just this little pot right here that it's kind of like a deluxe sample size for like $16, just looks like this. And I think it worked really good on my oily skin. It didn't break me out, it moisturized my skin very well. And this is the Ole Henderson one. And I've been using this one for quite a long time now. This is the Murad Oil Control Mattifier with SPF 15. This works really well under makeup. Like if you're really oily in the summertime, just put it in your T-zone and it will mattify your skin. I also like this if I need a little bit of SPF. I won't wear it all over my face, just mostly in my T-zone right here, around my nose, because it's like thick like glue, and it kind of smells like glue too, but it's definitely a paste and not as like, you know, smooth or whatever as like a normal moisturizer. So this is the Murad moisturizer. This costed a lot too. Another moisturizer that I was trying out and I wanted to see if it would replace my tea tree one, or maybe not replace, but add to it and help my skin get better, was the Origins Zero Oil Pore Purifying Toner with saw, palmetto, and mint. So you can see I've been using a little bit of it, but I totally stopped. So I was using this and I was breaking out really badly. It's kind of the same time around where I was using the moisturizer. I don't know if it was the combo together or it was just this, but this does have alcohol denate as the third or fourth ingredient. Unless it was the smell, it would have been alcohol denate that was messing up my skin, because it has a very strong fragrance. So what I did with this, I put it on a cotton round and then I just rubbed it all over my face, kind of like so, to help my pores and to help my breakouts and clear my skin, but this just made it worse. So I might try it again in the future or put it in a spray bottle with some water to dilute it a little bit so I can get my use out of it, because this actually costed a lot. I should have returned it, but I don't live very close to a Sephora, so I never got the chance. So now I'm going to moisturize with the sister with a toner, which oddly doesn't have alcohol denate in it. So I just take about like that much. And I like to moisturize in circular up motions, just to bring my skin up and not dragging it down, kind of like that. I like to bring it up. Reduce wrinkles in the future. So that's it for my morning skincare routine, and I'll see you for my nighttime skincare routine. So I just want to show my makeup today because I thought it was kind of cute. I just got done finishing it a little while ago. Now the sun is totally leaving. So for my brows today, I did something really easy. I just used the Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 3, I believe. And then for my eyeshadow today, I used the NYX Perfect Filter palette in the shade Rustic Antique. I swear this is a dupe for the Tarte Toasted palette. It has very similar colors, so I would suggest picking this up if you don't want to spend the money on the Tarte one, but I know this is actually still kind of expensive for drugstore, so I don't know, but I really like this palette. It has pretty good pigmentation, so I recommend it. But I know the Tarte one is really nice and smooth, but can be too powdery as well. But anyways, I thought this was something I should throw in here. And then I also have a glitter liner today, so I used the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. I used my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I really like this because it lengthens my lashes. It doesn't give me too much volume, but separates them as well. And then I just used concealer and powder, did a little bit of blush and highlight, and that was pretty much it for today. So if you can tell what I did in my eyes, so I just kind of put each color. So I started with the beige one, and then I went to orange, and then to the cranberry color, and then just blending it out so it's like a nice blended out smoky liner. And then I put gold on top. Okay guys, I will see you back when I take off all this makeup and then do my nighttime skincare. I wanted to show you my nails I did tonight, the Christmas themed decals, and if you want to see how to do it, it'll pop up in the eye. So I'm going to use these Walmart cotton rounds and the Nivea Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. And I'm just going to put a little bit onto the cotton round, not to totally saturate it, but just a little bit. So I'm just going to press it on my eye, and I'm not going to do too much rubbing motions, so I don't want to hurt my eye or my eyelid skin. So I just do a little bit just to work all the mascara off, but I think this makeup remover works really well. I've been using it for a while now. And then I'm just going to wash my face with the same cleanser. And then after when I do that, I like to do a mask, if I need to. I'm going to use the GlamGlow Supermud clearing treatment, and it just looks like that. It's like just a little $16 or $15 one. So I just like to spot treat with this, just on to places where I have blemishes or whatnot, and I want to get the life sucked out of them. So it's just like a clay mask. And so I let that sit, and then I wash it off, and then I spray my face with my toner again. It just really refreshes my skin. And then I like to use this I wouldn't call it an eye cream, but it's an e.l.f. eye refresh, and it's just this roller ball, and it has a coolingness to it, so it just cools my under eyes from taking off the eye makeup remover, just settles things down. And then sometimes I like to use the Sephora Green Tea Sleeping Mask, so it's like a gel type of mask, and I put it on before I go to bed, and then when I take it off in the morning, it's supposed to help reduce sebum or oil, and it reduces the appearance of imperfections. So now I'm just going to use my moisturizer and just moisturize my face after I have toned. And so that's pretty much the last step, but I also like to put my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion on for sensitive skin. And I only like to do this in the areas where I have some dry spots. If I'm like combo, especially in the wintertime, it just helps my dry skin. And that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much my whole skincare routine of 2017. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you to Michelle Quade for requesting me to do this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And comment down below what you want to see next from me, if you want to see anything at all. And subscribe, and I hope you guys had a happy new year. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.